So I'm in Lawrenceburg, Indiana. My name's Anthony Ford. I am the proprietor of Kong Armor. We utilize an ultra thick build, elastic, rugged coating system with extreme high stretch and contraction abilities to lock down and encapsulate deck systems across the tri-state, right? We have customers that come to us with older wood decks that they want to have resurfaced. We revitalize composite deck systems. But one of the things that we're most notorious for, sorry it's a little windy out here today, is the lockdown encapsulation of peeling deck paint. Thin residential deck paints, they can't keep up here in Cincinnati and northern Kentucky with the sun, right? This dude up here, it breaks them down rather quickly, right? I always tell people, painting your deck system with a thin residential deck paint or stain is kind of like just tossing trash into a dumpster. They don't realize it when they're doing it, but that's basically what you're doing, is you're just tossing trash in a dumpster. This deck behind me, it had on the floor, it's all beautiful now. It has the Kong Armor system on it. We just wrapped this deck system up. But on the floor and the inside rails of this system, it had peeling deck paint. It may have been peeling bare deck over. We're not sure what was on it. Looks sort of similar to like a peeling bare deck over type situation. But it's, listen, Kong Armor, our system, this ultra thick build system that I'm telling you about, it comes with lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service promise, extremely tough, extremely rugged. Was able to come in here and it made very, very short work of resurfacing this deck, locking down that peeling deck paint, and just encapsulating this system and making it ultra beautiful, ultra beautiful. Called this project the Koi Project, and the reason why we called it that was because of this beautiful koi pond that's back here. You can see very beautiful fish. Little waterfall. I have to work swiftly here because my battery's going dead. But this deck system, and I'll insert a picture here. So that you guys can see, had peeling deck paint everywhere, all through here. And it was pretty bad. The rail system's peeling deck paint. But now you can see the power of Kong, this thick build, rugged, tough coating system, high stretch. So what's cool, Kong is tough and high stretch. It has the ability to expand when these planks expand, and then contract back down when they contract, right? And it's that movement that breaks down other coatings that Kong is conditioned specifically for that movement, okay? I'll put a picture in here so you guys can see what this did look like and what it looks like now. Very, very insanely gorgeous. Tough film technology. Wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, up to hurricane speeds, right? Splinter lock technology. Before, this thick build coating, way better than thin residential coatings, right? Before, you wouldn't think about running your hand across this. It'd eat you up with splinters. And now, splinter locked. All the splinters on this system locked down, encapsulated. I'm not going to go up there because this is just 24 hours into coating, and we like to try to give these several days to dry and for adhesion to take place. But just an insanely beautiful system. Super happy for these customers. A service plaque here on the deck, so they know where they can call to get help with warranty or service, right? So if you have a peeling deck paint system, If you have an old weathered system or a new system that you're just looking for help with, you want the toughest coating system available. Go to KongArmor.com and sign up for a free quote today, right? Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana. That's where I'm at now. I'm in Lawrenceburg. Anywhere in the tri-state. We're also servicing Scott County, Kentucky, so Georgetown, Kentucky, right? I'm Anthony Ford, signing off from Lawrenceburg. Until the next one.